How to restore Instagram deleted photos. First, you need to simply launch Instagram and make sure you sign in so you can check the archive. If you previously move a post to archive, you can easily restore it. You can simply go to the profile at bottom right corner, select the three bar icon at top right corner, and here you need to scroll down and look for the archive options and tap on story archive at top left and tap on post archive. So you need to look for the post and restore it to your profile. You can select a particular post, select the three dots, and here you will get the option of restore if you have moved to archived. And the method 2 is simply you can recover from deleted or recently deleted. So simply head towards your profile feed. Suppose let me choose a post, select three dots, scroll down, tap on delete, and tap on delete everywhere. Or you can select delete from Instagram only. After that, you need to proceed towards the three bar icon from your profile feed at top right. Scroll down and navigate to your activity. Here you see recently deleted, select that. And here you will get all your deleted posts. To recover, select the post, tap on three dots and then tap on restore and select restore. And with that, you can easily view on your profile. So in this way, you can easily restore Instagram deleted photos. So make sure posts remain in deleted or recently deleted for only 30 days. After that, they are gone permanently. If you don't see the recently deleted option, update your app to the latest version. And with that, you will successfully recover your deleted posts or photos. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.